Hello everybody! On a recent archaeological dig, while organizing and putting away Christmas lights, I stumbled upon this Performa service plan. Wonder what the heck I bought and when it was. Now this is faded out. It's from 2003. Do the best I can here. So it was purchased 6/12/2003, expired 6/12/2006. What did I buy? Like I said, it is faded. But we'll try to make the best of the situation. Can just barely see the lettering. So 6/12/2003 at 12:52 p.m. I bought a Maytag PAV2360 AWW washer. I paid $379.99 for it. The delivery fee was $29.99. I went ahead and purchased the 3-year warranty for $59.99. And we continue down. The subtotal is $469.97. Tax. And after all the tax and everything, my total out the door was $508.74. Paid $510 in cash for this machine. And of course got my change back. Yep, $1.26. And the washer is still here and still working to this day. My last washer video featured this machine. It did have that bearing failure back, 2 or 3 years ago, but it wasn't rendered inoperable. It was just quite noisy, so this machine has been working since 6/14/2003 when it was delivered to the rent house that I had back then. So I thought that might be something kind of interesting to look at. So once again, the original receipt for the 2003 Maytag Performa. Thank you for watching.